Today we are at Nemo Feed in Bering, Missouri, and I'm super excited to show you this mill because I've known the owners for a long time, and I've actually bought and sold a lot of equipment in this place. So let's go check it out. Here we are, another day in the life of the feed business. So exciting, you're about to check it out. All right, so you'll see trucks running down the highway. You may not understand exactly what happens for that truck to get loaded with feed. So we're actually gonna show you exactly how that happens right now. Okay, so you can see how each one of these hoppers is being filled separately. There's a hopper, there's 3 of these that are filled all with the same product. So each one is actually its own little bitty bin, and each one of those can hold a separate product. So we're gonna load these with different products, and then it's gonna show up at the farm where they can deliver it for different ingredients. Where are they going next?
As it comes down, it incorporates steam. The steam right into here, feed flows through here, comes down and gets put into here.
So basically it starts out like this and ends like this.
This is what our finished product looks like. So basically from mat to this.
Yeah.
So that's that line. So
Yeah.
we move over to the mixer. Here's the screen. This is the control panel for the pellet mill. This gives us a temperature. There's an amperage gauge. It gives what bin we're drawing out of. So in this case right now, they're doing a starter calf pellet. Yeah, it's just a lot of information on this screen. It's workstation or out there. So he's got the exact same screen here as he had out there. But then he has another screen here where he loads trucks out of. He queues up the loads in here for the trucks, then he goes out there. You guys seen that already, where he was loading the trucks on that screen out there. Everything gets transferred out. The computer knows exactly how many pounds you put into every batch all the time, and we retain samples of that.
Right.
So, you know, our accuracy is good.
Yeah.
And we feel very good about that. That's the production side. We can move out here and go to the bagging site. 80 micro bins here.
Wow.
And at that time, it was the largest micro system in the industry. I'm sure there's other mills that have more. We are so diverse in our ingredients, so each one of these will hold several bags of products.
So you're holding totes down there, and then these are all your really micro ingredients.
Really micro.
Yeah.
And this all weighs up, controlled by the computer, weighs up, transfers to the mixer.
Yeah.
It gets these bulk ingredients from the other side. Everything goes to the mixer once.
Right.
Blends for 60 seconds.
So this is more along the lines of like taking your vitamins.
Yeah, well, vitamins and trace minerals.
Yeah.
This is all vitamins, trace minerals, enzymes, probiotics, you know, flavors.
Things that really drive the animal health, though.
That's right. There's no antibiotics in this section here at all. We do have an antibiotic micros, and those are over here. Those are totally separate.
Okay.
That way we have no risk of cross-contamination here.
Right.
A lot of thought, a lot of detail into making sure we don't have no cross-contamination.
Wow. Yeah.
So as we go down, we can look at the bagging line here.
Yeah. Do it.
So right now we're bagging a commodity here, roasted soybeans. We roast them and we'll bag them up for in-house use and for sales, out sales. So these are plain brown bags because they get dumped back in our mixer.
Oh, okay.
The next product he's going to bag is going to be a mineral.
Okay.
You need more bags. We'll get food for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent.
So this is the automated robot. This is a robot bagger that we put in a couple years ago, and I tell you what, this is a big thing.
Yeah, this makes labor a breeze comparatively. And people's backs thank you.
You don't have to stack all the bags anymore.
Your back thanks you every day, right? Like for this. Yeah. So these bags weigh about 50 pounds each. So if you can imagine, let me show you what's in these bags.
Well, that's
roasted soybeans in here. So that's just what it looks like.
Roasted soybean.
Roasted soybeans. And so this, if you had to hand stack these, you'd be lifting 50 pounds over and setting it on a pallet every single time. This replaces all of that.
Yeah, we'll go back through here.
Bags it, and then it sews it, and then it stacks it. So we'll go take a look at that next. Kicks the bag, and then this flattens the bag, and then that gets it ready and staged for the robot.
Okay. We have a little talc machine up there.
Okay.
That'll actually spray a little bit of talc, like not talc, but a sticky, like a glue, on the top of each bag as they go past.
Ah, okay.
And that little thing does that to keep the bags from slipping off each other. These polywoven bags are so thick. You can't keep them
That's
together.
genius, actually. Yeah.
So this is the robot, the pallets here, the cardboard here. It'll put all that in place.
Yeah.
So those bags come in, up, they cross over, they go to the robot arm up the palletizer here.
So stacking it, and then you can see how it brings it up.
And those bags will come in. So just soon that's going to
So
open up.
it
There we
tamps
go.
it.
Now we're going to open up. It's going to roll that skid out. Doors are shut. You see another pallet there. It's coming in. It's going to open up. It's going to the first layer down, closes, puts another layer on. It just keeps repeating that cycle. So it goes back and squeezes them a little bit.
Yeah.
Makes everything nice and flat. So we got a real nice,
Very nice
square,
pallet.
real nice
Those are
square
quality pallets. It's way better than doing it yourself by hand. Way better. How much was all this, the bagger?
Cost-wise,
Yeah,
I think there's about $750,000 of equipment, and then we had to install it yet.
right
That was the palletizer, the whole thing, the bagger, everything.
Yeah. Yeah. It pays for itself, though.
Anything that is in a Nemo Feed bag with the Nemo logo on,
Uh-huh.
we manufacture here.
Yeah. Wow.
So this is an addition, so this wall will come out,
Uh-huh.
and this will be all new warehouse space here. So,
Very nice.
and we'll walk out here, and I'll show you the truck docks from the outside.
So you guys have your own fleet of trucks?
We have our own fleet of trucks.
Yeah.
These are some of our delivery trucks.
Okay. How many delivery trucks do you have total?
Well, we have, I think there is 7.
Yeah. So you guys service all your own equipment?
Yeah.
Do as much as you can on
Most
facility?
of our service work is done here.
Okay. So what year did you start the company?
We started here. We broke ground. This was a greenfield project. This was simply a pasture. We started here in 2000.
Okay. Wow.
2000, we broke ground here and put our first little building in there, and this is what we ended up with
Right.
25 years later.
Just keep
So,
going.
yeah.
So then,
Yeah.
what was that first impetus besides, I guess it was just cost savings that you really
Well,
wanted to?
At that point in time, we were probably past the cost saving stage. I had a passion for making feed, and I loved to sell feed. So I was a salesman for the company. My brother Lewis ended up being the production manager.
Okay.
Leonard was our silent partner. Leonard sold off about 8 years later then to his son, Quentin, which ended up being our IT guy. He was in the office and he done all our computer work, so kept the office running. So that was our 3-way partnership.
So then, whenever you're talking to like the younger generation, or you're talking to people and you're talking about maybe getting into business and the struggles you've had, I'm sure you've had a few struggles. Like
We had struggles and the struggles still remain.
They do remain, yeah.
Some. I mean, we overcome some, but there's always new challenges coming out.
Right.
But no, startup was tough because we're a no-name company, you know, and we had opportunity to become a dealer for our larger competitors like the ADM or Purina, Kent, all your Hubbards, your larger companies out there. We choose not to. We choose to try to build our own brand. And that's what we've been trying to do all
What was
these
the
years.
impetus for that?
I'm not sure. It's just that I guess maybe it was
Besides being
just
stubborn. No, I'm just kidding.
besides being stubborn. But maybe it was just we like the passion we like the idea of
Yeah.
our own identity.
So when you think of Made in America and you think of like a feed that's, you know, we obviously in America, I feel like we have some of the best regulations. We have the highest quality nutrition. We're feeding the world. We're exporting more feed than anywhere else in the world. And we're doing it in less acres. We're being more efficient with that food. What does that translate to as far as like a Made in America product? What does that mean to you? And when you see something on the shelf and you're buying something foreign versus something American, what goes through your mind?
Well, I have a lot of respect for the other countries across the world. I had the luxury of traveling to the Middle East a couple years back and all the toured the Holy Lands.
Yeah.
Just was blown away with the amount of people and the food it must take there. And then the desert land that they have there. It's nothing there. And then I had the opportunity a few years before that to go to Netherlands. So I got to Germany and I went through the Netherlands and we bought some of our equipment out of the Netherlands, you know. So I toured a number of feed mills over there and they have some high quality feed mills over there. So I can bring some of their technology and bring it right here to America too. Yeah, I'm glad to be an American, but there is a lot of value outside of just America.
we as America are kind of the breadbasket where we meld all that together.
Yeah.
So I think our diversity makes us great, because when you go to other places, that's what they are. When you come to America, you don't really know what you're going to get. In fact, within different parts of America, it's very different. And so our
Yeah,
diversity
sure.
is actually our strength, because it allows us to pull from the Netherlands, pull from anywhere in the world, and we integrate that into who we are.
There's great value in networking, synergy in networking
Yeah.
across the industry, across the world.
How important is doing the right thing for you?
Extremely important.
Yeah.
I mean, our mission statement says, Nemo Feed is here to provide a high-quality animal feed with employees motivated to serve others as we would have others serve us. And that's key. To me, that is really a key part. And a high-quality feed, you know. So nutrition services, you know, all that is in that mission statement. And while doing all this, we want to make a profit, right?
Sure.
And it's wisely invested in the community and company, not just company.
Right.
It's got to be all-conclusive.
Yeah.
It's got to be a value to the surrounding community.
Absolutely.
Well, I'm Lee Good. I grew up on a dairy farm, and dairy farming wasn't really profitable, so I started working here when I was 16. Took an interest in feeding animals right. It comes down to the little vitamins, trace minerals, getting everything right. I believe our regular meats in the store are better because of feed mills, because of technology, because we can grow our animals better. They're healthy animals, they're happy animals. Also, sustainability. They grow a lot faster, bigger. It puts more food on the shelf. And we don't feed steroids, we just feed them well.
Right.
We keep them healthy, and they grow well. By utilizing the gifts from God, the corn, the soybean, utilizing that to grow animals so that the American and around the world can be healthier and have an affordable lifestyle.
And that's a wrap. Until next time.
Reawakened, forged in the crucible of liberty, powered by the fuel of freedom.